Next one's an article from Martech. As AI does more of the work, are we building the right leaders? So we've talked about this, and this is something that it says here AI is accelerating analysis and reporting, but fewer marketers understand the data underneath. That gap is where leadership risk begins. So we've been saying this. We've said it in other brick marketing. We've said it in events. We've said it, to many different vehicles, and we're starting to see this sentiment in many different places. Is that if you're not learning the fundamentals properly, right? Of as a marketer, you don't have the real strategic fundamentals. Using AI, it's to scale it, which is great, which you want to do. You're not going to know when things go wrong, how to diagnose it, how to audit it properly, and how to fix what things are happening because you're depending on someone else's, i.e., AI, to think for you because you don't have the strategic knowledge. So, Catherine and John, quickly, want to respond on this one?
Yeah. As a leader, you need to know how to do the things that you're leading people to do so that you can know what good looks like. That's something I've said a lot, and we can't let ourselves fall into the trap of being like, okay, AI can take care of this thought process. You can't. We're the strategists, humans, and you can use it as a tool to help enhance your strategic thinking, but it's an enhancement, not a replacement.
I agree. John, what do you think?
Yeah, I think that there's going to be a problem when people who are, people of my generation or even younger who are solely relying on AI to do everything start to become, higher ups at companies as they start to age. Like, they're not going to know how to do things, right? They're going to go to AI and have the AI do it. So why even, you run the risk of having just not great advice because AI doesn't know everything. You have to use like a human touch. Like you said, you need to be the strategist. You can't have AI do everything. It's not gonna. Your strategy won't be interesting or unique.
Agreed.
Right.
Okay.